Hi kindergarten! Today we're going to work on lesson 15. Now for this lesson you need a few different materials. First of all, you need to have your workbook open to page 77, which is the lesson 15 template. It looks like this. It says, "We've got the scoop." You're also going to need your dry material again. Remember, you could use rice, you could use dried beans, you could use all sorts of different things. I chose farro, so I have farro in my bowl right here. Just a dry grain, looks like that. Okay, and you're going to need a scoop. Here's my scoop. I'm using 1/4 of a cup to scoop out my farro. And then you're going to need some different containers. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We want to measure how many scoops do you think it will take to fill this up? See how I have a little cup right here? How many scoops do you think it will take to fill this cup up with farro? Should we measure it out to see? Now we have to be really careful when we're measuring out our scoops because it's not fair if we have our scoops overflowing, and it's not fair if we have our scoops half empty because then different people might have different answers. But if we make sure we flatten out the top so it's not overflowing and it's all the way full, that is 1 scoop. So I'm going to pour my scoop into my cup. Here we go. Is it full? No, it's not full yet, so I need another scoop. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fill up my scoop. I'm going to make sure that it's not half empty, but it's overflowing, so I need to use my finger to swipe across the top and flatten it out. There we go. Now we have 1 scoop. I'm going to pour it into my container. Okay, 2 scoops. Did that fill it up? I still see some space at the top, so let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, too full. Let me flatten it out to make sure it's just 1 scoop. Awesome. Now I'm going to pour it in. Oh my goodness. That went straight to the top. Do you see that? Wow. It went all the way up to the top. So that means that this container holds 3 scoops full of farro. 1, 2, 3. Wow, so now we know 3 scoops of farro is the same as one of these small glasses. So I'm going to pick up my pen again, and we are going to record our answer. So on your worksheet, you're going to draw a picture of the measuring cup. This guy right here. I'm going to draw it, and I'm going to draw lines on it because my measuring cup has lines on it. See how I drew my measuring cup there? Remember, you don't have to be an artist when we're writing in math class. We are just sketching down what we see with our eyes, and it does not need to be perfect. And let's remember, how many scoops fit in the cup? 3 scoops. So I wrote, my measuring cup is the same as 3 scoops. Okay, let's try a different one to see. I'm going to use this cup here now. This cup is way bigger. It's also a cute pink color. So let's see how many scoops fit inside that container. Let's see. I'm going to fill up my scoop. Remember to even out the top so that it's not overflowing, but it's all the way full. And I'm going to pour it into my cup. 1. Not even close to being full. You are so right. So let's fill up another scoop. Even it out. There we go. 2. What do you think? Is it full? Not at all full. No way. Okay, so let's try another one. I'm going to even out the top. 3. Wow, so 3 still doesn't even fill this up. Well, you know what that tells us? Our pink cup must have a greater capacity than our measuring cup here, because this held exactly 3 scoops, And this has so much more room. So let's see how many scoops will fit in. Let's do our fourth scoop. Okay. Gotta make sure I scoop in enough. Oh, it's overflowing, so let's swipe across the top to make sure it's flat and level. Then let's pour it into my cup. 4 scoops. Oh my goodness, it's still not full. This cup has a big capacity. Let's see. We're gonna put in scoop number 5. It's getting harder for me to make sure my scoop is full because I'm digging at the bottom of my bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna flatten off the top. I'm gonna pour it into my cup. 5. I still have a little room at the top. Do you see that? It's not quite full. Okay. Oh my goodness. My 6th scoop. I wonder how many is going to fit in there. Okay. We are at our 6th scoop. Okay. This one is already pretty even, so I don't need to swipe the top. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. Let's flatten the top. Yup, I don't know about you, but that looks full to me. So this cup is 6 scoops. It's filled up by 6 scoops. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I am going to pick up my paper again. Now I'm going to draw my nice pink cup on the square. Make sure you pause and draw the pink cup too. And I'm going to draw a flower on it because I have some flowers. My pink cup is the same as 6 scoops. Now, there is room for you to draw more comparisons, okay? I would love, love, love for you to fill out more of these on your own. You need a scoop, you need your dry materials, and you need some containers. So get to investigating and tell us when we come back to our math lesson, how many scoops fit inside your containers at home? See you later, kindergarten. Great job!